Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to put radiator fans on a Honda Element. I know there's another video online about this, but it's like 19 minutes long and nobody's got time for that. So I'm going to try to make a quick and dirty video putting the radiator cooling fan and the AC compressor fan in. Both of mine are out, so let's get started. So first thing you want to do is take off these clips. There's those ones, so you just take a screwdriver, slide it in underneath that, and slide it underneath the other one, pull it out. Okay, once you get those off, just take the panel, pull that off, to the side. Then we gotta get these 10mm bolts here. There's two more of them, but my hose have been rusted out, so they are no longer there. We're going to take off the wiring loom from the back of this. So we just need a little plier, squeeze it, push them in. One of the next things we have to do is get a 10mm bolt down below. So let me get my gloves back on. I'll show you that. So let's see. The 10mm bolt right here that we got to take off. So that bolt's off, and this comes off. It's loose. So now that we got this piece loose, we can start to pull this out. We're going to have another clip here. We can pull this piece out now. Just roll it around. Lay it on the ground. Now we got the radiator loose. So as you may or may not see, I have a racing radiator in here. Both mine went out, and I had like a fan from my old Civic. I just tossed it in just to get something going until the parts came in. So I'm going to unclip this, which is the wiring harness for the other one. I made this plug myself. Soldered that in. Then we got to take the plug off the other one, which is right down here. Pop this plug off. That kind of frees us up. So next, what I'm going to do is take off this radiator fan. Okay, so now I've got this radiator fan out, which usually is just like some 10mm bolts up here, and it'll come right out. I'm gonna unbolt this fan before I mess with the coolant. So let me get a 10mm off for that. My one over here rusted out, so. You love old rusty cars. So now this radiator fan's loose as a goose. You can almost just go like this. Can I? No. I wonder. Come through. Too many wiring harnesses here. Maybe. Yeah, look at that. Slides out perfect. So here we got the old fan. We got the new fan. I'm just going to try to slide that right back in. We don't have to mess with the coolant then. I kind of like that. that. Shuffle that behind here. like, slide it down. What are we getting caught on down here? Look at that. Well, that was easier than I thought. Okay, put that foot in over there. Foot in right there. There we go. Alright, let's put this 10mm bolt back in. That's secure now. Take this plug and plug this back in. Boom. And now we take our other new fan. Got our AC conditioned fan here. Slide that down. Get that on the feet. We just need a bolt for that. Which after working on cars, just wanted to bolt. Maybe like that one. That needs to be longer. But this one. Perfect. That's good. Just plug in there. All right. Let me go get my keys and let's just test that these work. Before we go any further. Success! All right, that looks good. Got both the fans working, both fans installed. It's literally just that bolt, there's one over there, and there's one over here normally, but mine are all broken, so I just have that bolt and that bolt. Two fans, one plug. Let me show you this other plug. The other plug is just right there. And there's feet at the bottom of these that go in. I was able to slide this motor up this way, kind of roll it out this way and pull it out this way without having to take off my my radiator, which would have leaked fluid all over. So that was pretty cool. So now they're on there nice and tight. Everything's good. So let's get this top piece button back up. I mean, you already saw the video. I'll do a little time lapse of it, but I don't think anybody cares to watch this. But I'll film it anyways. Just make sure the hood closes. Job well done. So literally just a couple minutes, get the fans out. Hope this makes up for that 19-minute video on YouTube. Hope this helps you out a little bit better. So super cheap. I'll leave the links for the description, or link in the description for the radiator fans that I picked up. As well as maybe the clips and a couple things that you might need for this project. So, all right, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Leave some comments if you got any questions. All right, peace.